As I'm walking through the shops, I look up, I'm like, I know that face. It's Glenn! He's just shopping. What'd you get? This is a haul. We got some shirts, I believe. We got some pants, I believe.
Clothes.
I see you have your hair different too. Show the hair. I'm not faded here. I like the different vibes.
Cool.
It's cute. Put it on. Nice. It's always so nice to see Glenn. I swear I can recognize him in any universe. I looked up. I was like, I know that's Glenn immediately. This is my car, my beautiful G-Wagon. I always wanted you guys to ride on it because I think like it's just a car. Who cares? It's like she is a completely blank canvas. Okay, we got the pens. These are the only ones I have, but I'm gonna put them in the car and then you can ride in my car. Sorry, it's the process. This only needs to happen once. And it washes away with water, so that's why I'm able to write on my car. The pens are just automatically clipped into the lids that are attached to my car. And then, if you see my car in public, be like, oh my god, I'm gonna write something. And then you grab a pen, like that. Destroy a cute picture, anything. I love coming back to my car and seeing something. And you can literally just do this, please. And if anyone tells you to get away from my car, show them this video. Like that. And I've done this because I feel like people are way too serious about everything. Like it's literally just a car, right on it. Are you kidding me? It's a piece of metal. Like it's not that deep at all. Anyway, plus you're the reason I even have this. So I want this to be a nice thing for everyone to enjoy. I want us all to have fun with it. Like that. And that's all. There we have new pens.
Do you need a spare for the fourth one?
Yeah, I do. Thank you. I just met Marissa. She's so sweet, and she said her sister wants to meet me, but she's in the car and too scared to say hello, so I'm just gonna go over to her. Hi. How are you? That was really, really nice.